In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to start learning PHP. So let's get started. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use PHP. First of all, you're gonna have to install XAMPP. If you haven't installed XAMPP, then check out the video link of how to install XAMPP in the video description. Now first, let's go to XAMPP. Here, we'll go to htdocs and create a new file called PHP. Now I want to make a PHP file. So let's open up VS Code, and here we're going to create a new file and call it index.php. Let me zoom this in a little bit so you can see it better. So let's say I want to print hello world. What you'll do is you create a PHP tag first, and inside it type in echo hello world. Go to your browser and type in localhost/php/index.php, and there you have it. Now you can either use echo or you can use print. They both do the same thing. You can put comments inside your PHP file using the hashtag. You can also put in comments by using /*. Now let's make some variables. First off, I'm going to create a variable called variable1. You have to initiate a variable with a $sign. So variable1 equals this is a variable. Now if I want to print this, we'll simply type in echo $variable1, and it will get printed. Now if you want to add in HTML code inside the PHP, what you'll use is apostrophes. So let's say I want to use the variable1 as a header1 text, and after header1 we'll simply put a full stop or dot, and then again dot header1 to end it. Now the variable1 will be shown as a header1 text. There you have it. Now we can use operators in PHP. So let's say I want to add two numbers. We'll simply type echo 2 plus 2 and it will show the result. There you go. You can use all kinds of operators with this. So let's say 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 and 6 divided by 2. So it will show up all the results. You can use break statements to separate the values. You can use if-else statements in PHP. So let's say I'll assign a variable called b equals Wednesday. So if $b equals Wednesday, then echo it's Wednesday. Otherwise, echo it's not Wednesday. Always add in semicolons. I forgot to put it equals to. Now if I change the value of Wednesday, it will print it's not Wednesday. So let's see arrays. Now let's say I want to make an array. So type array1 equals A, B, and C. Now let's say I want to pick B from the array. So type in echo $array1 1, which is the index number 1, because it starts from 0, then 1, then 2. and it will print B. Now let's make a simple for loop in PHP. So type in for $i equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. And I want to echo hello. Now what this will do is it will print I. You have to put in dollar on every single one of them because they're variables. Now if I see this in the browser, it will print hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this is the basic of PHP. I can't show you everything at once, but I hope now you can start your journey with PHP.